Once upon a time, in a small town nestled among rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young boy named Oliver. Oliver was a dreamer, his head always filled with fantastical stories and far-off adventures. He spent his days drawing and sketching, his imagination pouring out onto the page with every stroke of his pencil. One sunny afternoon, while exploring the attic of his grandmother's old house, Oliver stumbled upon a dusty wooden box tucked away in a forgotten corner. Curiosity piqued, he gently opened the box, revealing a treasure trove of old pencils, their colors faded and their tips worn. Among the collection, Oliver's eyes fell upon a single pencil, its gleaming silver body and sparkling tip standing out from the rest. Intrigued, he picked up the pencil, feeling a strange warmth radiating from it. As Oliver held the pencil in his hand, a magical sensation swept over him. He felt a spark of inspiration ignite within him, and his imagination soared to new heights. He clutched the pencil tightly, eager to see what magic it would bring. With the silver pencil in his hand, Oliver began to draw. Each stroke of the pencil seemed to bring his dreams to life. The characters on his page sprang off the paper, their expressions vivid and their movements lifelike. The landscapes he created were so real that he could almost feel the warmth of the sun on his skin and the cool breeze rustling through his hair. News of Oliver's magical pencil spread throughout the town, and soon people from all over came to see his extraordinary creations. Children were mesmerized by his drawings of fantastical creatures and far-off lands, while adults were captivated by his realistic portraits and stunning landscapes. Oliver's talent was undeniable, but it was more than just his skill that made his drawings so special. It was the magic of the silver pencil, which had infused his drawings with life and emotion. As Oliver continued to use the silver pencil, he discovered that it had the power to not only bring his drawings to life, but also to inspire others. His creations filled people with joy and wonder, and they reminded them of the power of imagination and the beauty of the world around them. Oliver never forgot the day he found the silver pencil in the attic, and he cherished it as a precious gift. He continued to use it to share his stories and bring joy to others, his heart filled with gratitude for the magic it had brought into his life.